Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new video, and today I'm going to be filming this hair look for you guys. Yes, I said it right, hair tutorial. I literally have not filmed a hair tutorial in probably almost 2 years. So I've been doing my hair literally pretty much the same for the past, I would say about a year now. And I wanted to share with you guys like my kind of like go-to spring summer wave look that I pretty much use all year round. But the great thing about this hair tutorial is that it's a minimal heat. So I'm going to share with you guys some tips and tricks on how to get these summer waves while not damaging your full head of hair. Yeah, if you guys are interested in learning how to get these very loose, beachy spring summer waves, then definitely keep on watching. But before you go anywhere, hello, please subscribe. I mean, you clicked on this video, you're watching it. You might as well subscribe. I promise you won't be disappointed. You'll see new videos from me every Wednesday. And yeah, I'm so happy to have you here. Without further ado, let's jump into this loose wave hair look. I don't know what I'm going to title this video yet, but something with hair. Look at this. Look at these waves. So I literally like woke up with my hair like this. I sleep with my hair in a braid. That way the bottom part of my waves are already there, and that way I don't have to curl my whole head of hair. I can just go ahead and curl the top sections, and then the bottom of my hair will stay heat-free and wavy, and there'll be way less damage to the hair. I also recommend sleeping with your hair in a braid if you do happen to have more like curlier hair or frizzy hair. By like slicking it down in a braid like this, it will allow you to get those waves without it being as frizzy, and then that way you don't have to like blow dry your hair and then curl it. So I highly recommend sleeping with your hair in a braid. It will also prevent so many split ends. If you sleep with your hair down or in a bun, it's going to create friction along your pillow. When your hair is like literally in a rope like this, it's less likely to break, and your hair will be able to grow a lot longer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out. And just so you guys know, this is like second day hair for me. I did do these exact waves yesterday too. And then I just brush it out at night, put it back in the braid, and do it all over again. Like I said, I literally do my hair like this pretty much every day just because it's so easy. And voila, you already are off to a good start. My hair is very wavy, as you can see with the braids. It just gives it a very fun look. So like if I really wanted to run out the door, I literally would, just like this. Since this is second day hair though, I'm gonna go in with some dry shampoo. Today I'm gonna be using the Batiste dry shampoo. The only downfall to this shampoo is that it does leave a white cast. So I try to use it very sparingly and only at the roots. Once I apply the dry shampoo to my roots, I go in with some rice water spray. Anytime I apply heat to my hair, I go in with rice water spray. I made this one myself, and if you guys want to see an in-depth dedicated video how I make my rice water spray, I can definitely do that. But basically this just helps to strengthen the hair follicle. So sometimes I'll just use this and not heat protect it. It's not necessarily heat protectant, but it does help strengthen your hair. So I just like focusing that on the ends. And this is just something super cool to spray in your hair when you're slicking it back too, because it really helps promote hair growth. I like spraying it before bed, before I put my hair in a braid. That way it kind of locks in. And honestly, I feel like that's another thing that has helped my hair grow a lot longer. Today I'm going to be using the L'Ange Hair Heat Protecting Spray. Do a light spritz of this at the bottom. I don't like applying too much heat protector spray in the hair because then it creates like a very like waxy residue, I feel like. So once that's there, I'm just gonna lightly brush the top out. I'm not gonna brush all the way through the hair because I don't want to get rid of the waves down here. Alright, so now the reason why this hair tutorial is so easy is because you're literally only curling a fraction of your hair. So I'm gonna section off the top of my hair, kind of like around the crown. So just a small section of hair, as you can see at the top. As you can see, the rest of this hair, which is like the other 95% of my hair, is going to be left curl free. So no heat damage will be done to this. So that's what's going to allow your hair to stay strong. You're not going to have to spend as much time curling your hair because this part's already wavy with the braids. And then everything on top is going to kind of cover that and blend in, so you're not even going to be able to tell. I used to be the kind of person that was like all or nothing. It was like either I curled my whole head of hair or straightened my whole head of hair, or I had it like super frizzy and messy, and there was never an in-between for me. But since I had like the epiphany that it doesn't have to be all or nothing, it has helped my hair so much, and I don't have to choose anymore between if I want to look like presentable without super frizzy hair everywhere, or you know, if I want to damage my hair. Like, I'm able to find the happy medium. I like to just part my hair, just brushing this out. And basically how I get like those really loose summer waves is I take different sections of hair. I'm taking mostly, I feel like, about like 1 inch to 1.5 inch sections of hair. I'm gonna use my Bellamy 6-in-1 curly wand. I believe this one is the 1 inch wand. Basically any wand that's about like this size, not too big, not too small. So I'm putting my hair over the barrel. Once I have it over, I'm twisting my wrist down here. I bring it back over, twist that hair down here, bring it back over, twist the hair, bring it back over, twist the hair, bring it back over, twist your wrist, bring it back over, twist your wrist, bring it back over, twist your wrist, bring it back over. Basically, by twisting your wrist, I cannot talk. Basically, by twisting your wrist and creating that little swirl, it creates like an indentation, so you get more of like a wave versus a curl, a much like looser curl versus one of those super tight ones. And I'll brush this out in a second, but for now I'm gonna leave it as is. So I actually curled this hair in the wrong direction, so I'm gonna show you guys the right way on this one. For the most part, I like doing all of my curls away from my face. You can do alternate curls if you want like a lot of volume, but I feel like my hair already gives me a lot of volume, so I feel like with too much it makes my head too big. So this time I'm gonna bring it over the barrel on this side to bring it away from my face versus putting it on this side. So we're gonna go over the barrel, again, twisting my wrist down here, back over the barrel, twist my wrist down here, back over the barrel, twist my wrist. And I only hold the hair in there for about 8 seconds, and then I release it into my hand and cup it like this. That way the curl is able to set in my hand. If you let the curl drop while it's still cooling off, then your waves and your curls are gonna fall a lot faster. So if you notice your hair isn't holding a curl as much, hold it in your hand and let it set in your hand. Don't let it go immediately, because I feel like it won't set in that curl position. It'll set once it's already flat and not stay on as long. So now I'm gonna release it, and you're left with this really pretty wave. So I'll show you guys one more time on this side, and then I'll kind of like speed through. So again, over the barrel, twist my wrist down here, over the barrel, twist my wrist, over the barrel, twist my wrist down here, over the barrel, twist, over the barrel, twist, over the barrel, twist, over the barrel. And I like bringing the curling iron pretty close to my root up here. That way my hair gets a little bit more volume and it's not flat to my hair up here. I like some volume, just not too much, because I already have a naturally big head. So it's like the right amount of volume to where it doesn't stick to my head and emphasize the odd, huge shape of it, but not like too big to where all you see is head. Alright, so now that we look like Medusa, the hair is all curled, you're done, you're good for the day, you can go. Just kidding. So as you can see, once the hair is all curled, you can see it's like a lot looser. We're obviously not going to leave the hair like this because we'd look insane. So I'm going to go ahead and take the rest of my hair out that we had tied up. And I'm just going to kind of like run my fingers through it and kind of shake it. Now, before you start playing with it, running your fingers through your curls, make sure that they are completely like cool. Make sure that none of them are still hot, Because again, if you start shaking them while your curls are still warm, it's just going to flatten them out completely and then they're just going to look funny. Shake your hands through, maybe do a little flip. I literally go crazy, so just bear with me. And I like taking some more rice water spray and only spraying it through the end. Again, just to give my hair some extra strength since we did just apply some heat to it. And then last, I like taking, what's a hair video without coconut oil? So taking just some regular like organic coconut oil. I'm literally gonna take like that much, not a lot at all. Scrunch it through the ends of my hair. And by doing this, it just helps obviously like create some shine to the hair, but it also helps like take away any frizz in the curl. And it helps not let the ends look like too dry. Take some more. And then sometimes if like the ends of my hair are like straighter, I'll lightly take the wand and like curl some pieces at the bottom. Alright guys, and there you have it. This is like my minimal heat wavy beachy summer waves. This is literally how I do my hair like every single day, where it looks like I put in all this effort and really seriously takes me sometimes less than 10 minutes. Sometimes I won't curl like as big of a section. I'll only do the front pieces and some of the side pieces and call it a day. So yeah, let me know if you found this video helpful. Let me know if you end up trying it out yourself. If you did happen to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see new videos from your girl every Wednesday. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!